is a T10. So this cam lock connector is in place like that, and press the clip down, press the pin down, and then push the lever down and it releases on its own. So these 4 points are the ones that you have to cut. One here, 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 and here, so you can fit the screen all the way back to its position. So take the side panel off or loosen it, and then you're going to route the cable from behind here into that opening. So I just routed the cable through the side over here, and then you just wind this up and leave it in here for software updates. This has a USB connector for software files that go on the screen for upgrade. You want to start off with the latch down for the cam lock, and then position this in place and connect both the cables. This is the reset button cable. It needs to go on top of the screen bezel. Make that connection for the reset button is on the top. The cable only goes in one way. Then you want to position the screen and line up the clips on the top, and it should just rest into place. Then you just need to put the 2 screws back in. They're the T10 screws that were originally taken out.